Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're
You're just ruining the
wait.
Today we're gonna be doing
an unboxing. And we got MLTV2 / the Trash Noob.
Okay. You're getting wrapping. Hey Matthew, this is what's inside the golden figure. So let me open it.
What? Open. Wait. You gotta show them what's inside.
This is apparently my present that Olin took. So let's open.
What's my present?
Look, this is it. This is.
Oh yeah. By the way, Happy New Year's, everyone.
Happy New Year's.
And happy holidays if you don't celebrate New Year's. But anyways.
What holiday would they celebrate?
Year's new. Okay, anyway, can you unbox it already? Like my hand.
Macy, it's simple. There's a little.
Okay, so she's unboxing
Macy,
it. Can you turn on the light?
the light is on.
Turn on all the lamps because it's like it looks weird.
Okay, so I'm finally okay. Now I'm struggling. Give me oh my god, this looks beautiful. So this was literally
Okay, get the first character.
Let's get new, my favorite.
Okay, I can't carry this. Matthew, can you carry it?
I'm on a YouTube vlog. Oh god. Hey guys, it's our 15th anniversary.
Oh yeah, I got
a 15th anniversary.
But anyways, I got this cool thing. What the hell is this? It's like an art.
I got a sign.
It's a sketch diary. Wait, you have a question there?
I'm stuck at recording on the. Wait, we
I
got
can
points at Mercedes. I can get out this guy.
No. Only get out of this. We're making a video. Please get out of this.
Hold on, sorry, Dora. Do
Say
you
that
know
only
where
because he rusty mouth, okay?
Shut up! You. Shut up,
Everyone that's under the age of 7, please get out of here, okay?
Shut your crusty, musty, dusty, rusty.
Can you? Okay, this is done for the box because Macy's taking too long. Bye.
No.
Macy, come on, it's taking too long. Come on, open it faster.
Yeah, this is.
You already opened it, so it's fine. So this is what you did. This is what she got. Wait, can you show?
We got Godspeed. No. We got a sword out. We got new. Mercedes should be the new. And we got a sword. What did you get?
We're making a video.
We're going Godspeed, boys.
Yes, it's a very chaotic.
Come
Okay,
on.
Is this a new? Okay, Macy, I'm gonna end the video because you're taking too long.
Yeah, I can do it.
And bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Have a happy new year, and I like your country.
Oh my God, chill out. Happy New Year's,
don't
everyone.
shut
Happy
up.